All right, before we do anything, first I want to make it clear that formatting a card will delete everything. So before formatting, make sure you have your important files backed up. To format an SD card on your Android phone, we'll first go to Settings and then scroll all the way down to Device Care. Here I can tap Storage, and I'll get this info view on my internal storage first. I can then swipe, and there's the info for my SD card. To format, I'll tap the three dots up top and choose Format. Formatting can help if your phone doesn't recognize the card properly, or some apps don't show the SD card options. For the best compatibility, it's always recommended to format the card on the phone that you plan to use it with. That way, the card and its folder structure gets optimized for your phone model. On some phones, you might need to unmount or eject the card before formatting. If you don't have format options, use those three dots to unmount your card first. Formatting will not fix slow or corrupted cards, so if you're having severe issues like that, I recommend buying a new high-quality card instead. And that's how you format your cards. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe to get more quick tutorials like this straight into your YouTube feed.